got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows in the street.
What's up, y'all? So let's get straight into this hair tutorial. Now, if you guys read about the title, this is going to be quick and easy. Y'all already know when it comes to Ft.Isee hair and these throw on units, y'all know we're just gonna be able to throw it straight on. Today we're working with Ft.Isee hair, and it also comes in this cute little bag right here. Before I show you guys all the stuff that comes inside, I'm gonna just show you guys like the unit at hand. So this is the wear and go unit, and this is the MCAP unit. So this unit has a lot of space on it. It has the elastic band on there, and the elastic band is like very durable. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna fall. It's not gonna do anything. And these knots are already bleached very, very well. Looks really, really good. Only thing that you have to do is add makeup on the cap and add makeup on your hair too, like your little cap that you have underneath. So this is what the hair is looking like. It is so cute. It's body wave. This is literally the whole makeup of the unit with the elastic band and extra elastic band on there. So this is the whole makeup of the unit, so you guys can really see the new design and things that they did with this unit, so you guys see how much of the closure space is on there. Closures with a lot of space like this, and you see how thin the lace is, and the lace has a little bit of a stretch to it, which is very, very good and very perfect. So this is just to show you guys really like the makeup of the unit. Inside you have a cute bonnet that says Ft.Isee on it, which is so cute. Cap card basically telling you the whole makeup of the MCAP, basically what I just went over, but it's just verbal, so you guys can really see exactly what you're getting and exactly, you know, the time and effort that they put into, you know, do this new makeup of this unit. So when you open it up, it just shows you guys pretty much all the stuff we went over. Some lashes. We also have extra accessories and a extra elastic band just in case we need it. So I'm gonna take my makeup in a color 14 and just go ahead, put some makeup on here and put a little bit of makeup on the lace so that we can go ahead and start this install. Maybe I should have used a different brush because this brush is not doing it for me. So the beauty blender should work for right now. Do the same thing for inside. One thing that I really like about this is the removable comb. You can literally remove it off and put it on. So if you want combs one day, you can put it on, and if you don't want a comb that day, you can put it on. But I typically like to have the combs on. Okay. So this is already nice and snug on my head. And we're not gonna do any baby hairs today, so everything must be very melted. See, like, look at this. This is like scalp. And the space on this is so good, especially when you're trying to do like a middle part and stuff. The space from here to here, like, you have so much space to work with. I'm gonna just cut off a little bit of the little remaining lace because I feel like that messes with to me, I just feel like it messes with how it really looks. I didn't want to cut too much off, but I wanted to cut enough off so that it's exactly how it needs to be. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and just go ahead and get everything melted and down how it needs to be real quick. When I tell y'all, it's been 11 minutes since I cut this camera on, and we're about to be literally almost done. So you could literally wear this glueless, like it's literally like scalp already, and I'm not even like not even done, and it's scalp, like scalp. It's literally scalp, period. I'm gonna just spray a little bit of my spray on there real quick, just something, just so it can come on, because I don't want to wear it glueless today, because I'm about to go out and it's not, I just don't want to wear glueless today. So I'm gonna just spray just a little bit. So I'm just gonna take me a little melt band real quick and melt this down.
They be thinking you a lady for that home. You ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, play your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. Better throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. To run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. Just.
All right, y'all, so the curls are done, and we're gonna go ahead and start brushing them so they can be real cute. I didn't want these curls to be too much. I just wanted them to be, you know, some cute little curls. I think I want to redo this one because this one looks a little sus. that's perfect. That's better. Okay. Cool, cool. Okay. So we'll just take these off. I feel like this one is longer than this one, but that should be fine. Ooh, y'all see that? Melted. I'm gonna take some makeup and fix that part right there though. But we're going to go ahead and just fix this little part. Right there. I'm gonna brush out the other one first because like it's kind of not really giving me the look that I want. Watch this one give me the exact look I want. Exactly what I just said. It's like this side gave me a different look and this side gave me a different look, but it's still really cute though. Cause I love the way this side looks. It looks so cute. I really love the way this looks like. Ooh. Yup. We are in there. Yeah. Cool, y'all. Oh my god. This is so cute. I'm about to go out for a few hours. When I come back, y'all will see how good the curls held up. All right, you guys, so this was actually like hours later. I had ended up taking a nap, and I woke up and I was like, I have to show y'all what these curls look like. So this is what the curls were looking like. They kind of dropped, but they were still really cute. Everything was still looking really nice. Like this hair, Ft.Isee hair definitely did their thing. So you guys already know. If you guys want all the information for this hair, it will be in the link in the description box down below. So you guys check out Ft.Isee hair because they have everything done for you. And stay blessed, you guys. Yeah, babies, we out.